Hello, my name is Ben and I am Notagreatgamer. Welcome back to the Serene Republic of Venice. Here in, what are we playing? Stellaris. Yes, Stellaris. First thing we're going to do, I just noticed, is that I think I'm going to up the sector contribution for the Zara sector. The Zara sector is doing just fine. Yeah, they're doing just fine. On minerals and money, they're fine. They can afford to give us a little bit more. So we're going to up that to 75%. And they're still getting like 12 minerals a month. They could still build stuff with that. They can do that. I just noticed that I do in fact have, alien pets, and I figured out where. Turns out it's here in Dradim, which we're gonna actually rename. We're gonna rename this. It's Murano. The planet's named Murano. Yeah, Murano. Okay, cool. But it's over here on this planet. And if you look at this, I don't remember this. They're pre-sentient people, and actually, because they completely cover their homeworld, we may never actually be able to do anything with these guys. But they do have an alien pet, and it's actually collected by a research station. So that's good to know. So I do have an alien pet going. The next time they say, yeah, you can do a Xenozoo, I'll pick that up. Two of our new, what are they called? Two of our new colonies are going to finish before too long. And
System survey
I think I'm just going to give away a couple of folks. I'm going to give away Trieste and Dalmatia. It just has to happen. Science ship, don't be lazy. Don't be lazy. What do we got? Someone's already doing that. Go get, I don't know. Go survey this. And then just get going. There we go. Just survey all that. You think? You think. Okay. Our current high priest, besides being a separatist, which is dumb, has a destroyer focus and a defense platform focus. So we're gonna build a couple of destroyers. Actually, we're gonna build probably more than a couple. Murano, our favorite place to do this because they already have a destroyer assembly yards. Let's go. Let's go with PD, laser, and disruptor. Let's go with a couple more. Let's get another disruptor, and then a laser, and another PD. Okay, cool. 6 destroyers on the way. Nice and cheap. Super good. Venezia, any surface stuff to do? Nope. Murano? Yeah, all kinds of stuff to do over here in Murano. Power plant 2. Mining network 3. Oh, do we want more food? Ooh, no, but we have to keep what we have. That's too bad. I want to get the next level of hydroponics farm, just so that we can then start getting off of places like this, which is what we're going to do. This guy is migrating to Trieste. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Of course, that means that Trieste is going to be starving even worse, although Trieste isn't currently starving, so there you go. Corfu, how you doing? Any upgrades? Ooh, you're leaving. He's actually going to the British Empire. Okay. 7 food, okay. Nothing really to do there. Naxos? Eh. You. Give me minerals. Mining network 1. Yes. And I think that's gonna do it there. Yep, once Trieste is done with its stuff, we're giving it away. We just are. I don't want it anymore. We're making money even with 2, what are they called?
Colony
2 colonies. And there we go.
Project complete. System survey complete.
Let's play with this. One of our probes burrowed through the ground and intercepted the tunneling aliens in Trow. After the startled alien workers calmed down, the probe was successful in establishing communications with their leaders. Open a channel.
Construction complete.
Okay. Subterranean aliens. Is this thing on? Can you see us, surfacers? We understand you hail from the great nothing that lies upwards, beyond the stone. It was assumed that nothing living could exist there, but evidently this is not so. What are your intentions? Tell us about yourself. We would like to coexist in peace. You know what? I think we're the kind of people who would say, tell us about yourselves. This has been, our empire stretches across every pocket of the known world. Only the great nothing lies beyond our reach. We have many fine cities, supported by lichen farms and the fish we catch in the large rivers flowing through our tunnels. This has been our way for thousands of years. Our diggers heard the faint echoes of your cities through the stone, and we decided to investigate. Tell us about yourself some more? No, that's it. Okay, we would like to coexist in peace. The subterranean civilization modifier added, giving the following effects. Society output plus 10%. Not bad. Then so we shall, Surfacer. Let us share this world together in the spirit of peace. We would be most interested in trading with your people. I believe we have much to offer when... Oh, trade. They said trade. This is what we got into this for in the first place, you know. Yeah, they got stuff we want. We get stuff they want. There you go. I believe we have much to offer one another. We shall return to our cities and make the arrangements. Okay. Hang on. Also, we got too many worlds. Let's just get rid of some stuff. Okay, that colony is established. Oh, man. Let's just get these guys going. These construction bots, construction ships. Let's just get them going nuts, you know? Okay, let's manage some sectors. Manage sector. You know what? Take it all. Take that one. Take that one. Take this one. And this one. There we go. Good times. Finish. Okay. Just deal with it yourself. Okay? Okay. Now, how are they doing on... The Crossroads sector is making plenty. Okay, they will be fine. They're making plenty of minerals and credits. And we have lots and lots of money at this point. Well, we're making enough money that we can... Wait, actually, are we making money because... No, okay. Yeah, we should build another ship. It should colony ship. It should probably take this one, this continental world, just to get it going. And then we should do this here, and probably lock up this. Yeah, that's what we should do. Alright. Alright. Okay. Oh, and then a couple more over here. Yeah, let's get on that. As soon as we have the funds. Next president is Big Blue Blob. Is that ever going to happen? 2277. That's still like 3 years away. Has it been only, what, 2 years now? Spaceport of Spalato has finished its construction.
Established.
What's Spaceport of Spalato? Hang on. Okay, hang on. Establish the colony of Negroponte in the Trium system. Yep. Spaceport of Spalato. Okay, here we go. What'd you do? What did I tell you to do? Oh, did I tell you to build it? No? Okay. I don't know what I told you to do. Maybe I told you to upgrade. Man. Yeah, the micromanagement hell, right? The micromanagement hell is real. Oh yeah. Vespucci, a colony ship. Hang on. Where did that come from? I don't see it on my stuff. Owned by the Great White North. What? I didn't think they could build colony ships. Are they gonna colonize? Can they do that? Oh, because I built it there, they're paying for it. Oh, interesting. Does that mean that when I settle this, that the Great White North is gonna get it? I don't know. That's really weird. Continental world. It's 21. It's not bad. Now I have to go find it. Ah, shoot. Come on. Okay. Colony ship. I don't actually want the Great White North to get this. Actually, they can't. So let's colonize this bad boy. Place colony. Let's place it. It's a lot of society research. I don't want to mess with that too much. Right. Right here. No. Right there. Okay. That explains it. Let me go take a look at the... Is the Great White North, like, losing money? Not quite. Interesting. Very interesting. Okay, that explains why we haven't actually been colonizing much. You know what? Let's colonize again. Let's do this again. Let's get another one. Build colony ship. Spiritualist, not xenophobe. Fanatic pacifist is gonna have to do. Give me another one. We'll get our continental stuff going, and then we'll get some Venetian ones too before too long. Oh hey, trade deal with the big blue blob. What is the big trade deal? Huh? Offer trade deal. Yeah, research agreement doesn't count for anything. Oh, I think I know what that is. That's probably something we set up before we were in an alliance together. So there you go. Okay. And then the Da Vinci is gonna start building some things. We're just gonna build out here in Zarmaton. I've been waiting for a better mandate, but you know what? You can't just wait for mandates all day. And there we go. Fine. Then just do the one. Oh, what? Build mining station. All right. Build another mining station. All right. Then build me another mining station. That's all we can do. The Aztecs have recalled their embassy. Well, that's interesting. Scientist has leveled up. Very good.
System survey complete.
Tethel. Anything interesting? No, not really.
Research complete.
And there we go. Inactive buildings. What is this? Lepanto? Of course it's Lepanto. It's always Lepanto. Oh my crap. Okay. You go there. You go there. Yes, be working me the money. How's food? Oh, you have way too much food. Of course you're gonna grow, so that's good. Let's move you here to a place that's actually working something. Okay, yeah, let's do it. Oh, and let's move a living Venetian to there. Oh, that's not built yet, though. Okay, that's fine. What building is inactive? Oh, this guy right there. Do that and shut him up. Okay. Research complete. Okay, advanced mineral processing. Mineral processing plant. Okay, we're gonna be building a couple of those. No, they cost influence, but that's okay. We're not gonna do robots. We're just not. We're not gonna do fusion missiles. Nope. Battleships will take 87 months. Well, I think that's what we're gonna do, though. Because fusion missiles just aren't super great. We're just gonna stick with torpedoes, I think. Battleships it is, kids. Oh, man. Our science. Laggy as crap. Hey, let's see if we're, like, behind the times on anything. No, technology level is equivalent. It's fine. Okay, well, Good luck, kids. Good luck. Finish the mining stations. Thank you. And Veneto. Hang on. What? Who are you? Okay, yeah. Venice. Venezia. Let's build us a, another colony ship. Now, where's that gonna go again? It's gonna go right... That's right. This colony ship's gonna go here. Okay. Ocean world. Good, good, good. And then we should get another continental. Oh, this guy's building his own stations. Nice, nice. A little bit more physics never hurt no one, I think. Right? Oh, you're in the process of building a colony ship. Okay. Construction ship. Let's just get going on this. Build mining stations.
Construction
Go.
complete.
Urano. What
Research
can you do for
complete.
me?
System survey complete.
Ooh, look at all of this upgrading to be done. I think we want minerals more than anything else. Yes. Okay. Technology research. Oh, sweet. Tile blockers are done. Okay, that's good. If we want to do naval capacity, let's just finish this. It's 8 months. Let's just do it. We're not anywhere near our naval capacity, but that's okay. Our new fleet is going to come over here. A couple dudes leveled up. 2 scientists. Okay. Probably explorers, actually. We have an embassy being established by someone that we don't really know or care about that much.
System survey complete.
The Halda system is fully surveyed, and the Da Vinci completed that. Okay. We've been approached by a delegation from the subterranean aliens on Trout. Okay, cool. They're facing the threat of famine. They are pleading with us to provide whatever assistance we can. Energy credits minus 100? Yeah. Yeah, sure. That's easy. That's easy. Corfu, what are you doing? Do me some stuff. Alright. Specifically, have a Venetian work the money. Always have a Venetian working the money. You can upgrade this. Let's get some more, let's get some engineering stuff too. And mining network. Alright. Oh, we can actually replace something. Okay, yeah. 7 food. Alright. Oh, 2 people are... No, just 1 person's leaving. Okay. I think we replace this. We'll replace it later when we actually have minerals. Let's do that. The Halda system has been surveyed.
Construction complete.
Oh, Crossroads wants to be self-determining. Yeah, well, that's not going to happen. Governor Andrea Dolphin has died. Now, it would be really cool if it was telling you what Andrea Dolphin was doing. Oh, I think it was the governor of Venezia. Okay, well, let's get us another governor, shall we? Oh. So the thing I'm noticing is that this tile blocker dude is available. Let's actually do something real quick here. Planets. Crossroads. You should have the tile blocker dude. Because you need to clear a lot of stuff. Okay, now what to do about Venezia? I don't really want an Iron Fister. He's kind of useless. He's only level 2. Whatever. Dismiss him. Let's recruit another one. He's intellectual. That's not bad. We have science on Venezia. We know how to science there. Oh, oops. I didn't actually pick him. Pick him up. There you go. Yeah, we got science. Yeah. We're not just all about the money. We're just mostly about the money. Right? Right.
Construction complete.
What was that? Nuxos. What are you doing? Can't wait to get this guy fully upgraded. 2 food, huh? It's actually going to be a problem soon. No, it's not. No, it's not. This guy, someone who's about to be born, is actually going to... Yeah, okay, it's fine. Basic science lab. Oh no, don't leave. Don't leave. I like you. You're such a good Polish... Yeah, Polish dude. Oh, you're pacifist. Okay, individualist, xenophile, pacifist. Interesting. Okay. Well, max happiness is at 60, so he's never going to be super crazy happy. But that's okay. What do we got? Let's get a biolab. Alright. Always with the more science, right? I'm probably just going to give these guys away as soon as I can.
Research complete.
These two here.
System survey complete.
System. Hyperdrive 2. Oh, sweet. We will deal with that later. I don't know what to do with Hyperdrive 2. I'll update some stuff. Oh, hey, hang on. I'll update some things when we go to the break. System survey. Okay, Schiaparelli, do something. Don't be lazy. Survey. 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 Thank you. Yeah, that's about as far as we're gonna get. Okay. And we are rivaled to these guys, so there's not much else we can do. Their fleet power is pathetic. Wow. Okay. Okay. It's kind of annoying that in order to win this game you have to blob. But I don't really want to blob. You know? Because I like science. Ever. Like, ever. Assist research. Ooh, that could happen. I think we do that. Plus 5% physics output, or science output. That's super good. Also, it's not going to take that long for that to come about, so... Okay. Nope. Wrong system. Oh, first fleet. Hey, upgrade. Yeah, upgrade the fleet. Requires a lot of minerals. They'll start upgrading in a second. Okay, yeah, they just started upgrading. Okay, good. Yeah. We gotta have us some more, Oh, Lepanto, you're such a mess. I don't even know what to do with you. I just need more people here. We got the food. Okay, there's about to be another person there. Okay. Right, right north wants to separate.
Construction
That's kind
complete.
of too bad. Construction ship. Get me... Are you in my borders? You are in my borders. No. Wait, what? I can't actually tell if this is in my borders or not. Interesting. Empire. Manage sector. Yeah, I can't add it, so it's not actually in my borders. Never mind. Well, construction ship. Stop that. Okay. No, don't manage the sector. Okay, let's build us a mining station. And we'll go from there. Yeah, the Iroquois are blobbing pretty good. They're like a nice solid. Our stuff, we're kind of spread out. I really wish these would ever like meet up. They're not going to. Which is really too bad. I don't think they ever will. Like if we put... Maybe if we put a frontier outpost here and a frontier outpost here, they might come together, but I just don't see that happening. Just don't see it happening. Okay, who are you? Oh, you're a colony ship. Sweet.
Research complete.
No, more research. I sit here complaining about how research is going so slow, and it just keeps sort of happening. Empire leader capacity +1. Not bad. Oh, sweet! Hydroponics farm 2. I've been freaking... Yeah. Yes. Let's do that. Let's do that. Okay. Hydroponics farm 2. Let's go. 9 months. Oh, so good. And...
Construction
colony
complete.
ship. What are you doing? Debraza 2. Hey, what? Oh, it is the Debraza 2. It's just sitting there. It says it's moving though. No, okay, now it's not. You are going to settle this one. It's not the most amazing, but territorially it's really good. Ooh, yeah, let's do this. Let's go right here. Yes. And we're still making money.
Incoming transmission.
What do you got? They want star charts. They want to offer star charts. You know what? I'm going to actually decline. I want to do my own exploration up there. I'm going to decline that. Nope. And when can we build another...
Construction complete.
colony ship?
Construction complete. System survey complete.
Okay, here we go. Colony ship. Okay, so what's next? I think we want this. So getting this is going to be good for that. I could pick up that ocean world. That would be good. But I think more importantly, let's zip this up over here. An Arctic world or continental world 15. Let's do it. Oh, except that this may lock up too. Yeah, so we'll go here because it'll lock up a lot of territory there. Okay, so what is that? It's a continental? No, it's an Arctic. Okay. So where are we going to train them up? Let's get some Poles. Let's get some more Polish. Because Polish are awesome. Colony ship. Because they're intelligent. I like the intelligent. Oh, wait, hang on. We don't have any more Polish people there. No, it's all Russians. Not that there's anything wrong with that. Oh, these Russians actually have the same... Oh, yeah, look at this. They're our same ethics. Good job. You fit in so well. I love it. I love it. Okay, we're not going to build it there. Where's a good Arctic world? Actually, I can check through here. Not Negroponte, I just built that. Lepanto. Hey, Lepanto. Build. Colony ship. What do you got? Oh, you have several options. Spiritualist and Fanatic Collectivist. That's not going to work out super hot. Fanatic Materialist. That's not going to work out super hot. You know what? Let's just do it. They're intelligent. Polish. Go. All right. Construction ship Da Vinci. Don't be lazy. Come on over here. Build a couple research stations for me, please, and thank you. And my fleet is fully upgraded. Merge. Can you upgrade? No, you can't. You're all the most recent stuff. Okay. Da Vinci... Yep. Noxos. Okay, cool. Well, I think we're going to call it there in the next episode. Yeah, we're just going to keep expanding, I guess. It'd be nice to have a few more events. Honestly, this is... I see what people are talking about. The mid-game on this is a little bit, blah. It'd be really nice if they were more, First off, if I could petition... I think not just getting elected. It's not just getting elected, as the leader of the Unholy Axis. I think if I could petition the Iroquois consciousness to declare war on Castile, I think I could go for that. I think that would be something that I could deal with, but it's not happening, so it's kind of annoying. Also, yeah, more events, also more diplomatic issues would be really good. I hear they're going to do some diplomatic stuff, and I look forward to that. There's some diplomatic editing, but yeah. Well, since we're not going to be able to take these guys anytime soon, actually, how's Castile? Are they still pushovers? Or the Salish, real quick? They're equivalent. Okay. Okay. We could take them if we wanted to. I just want some of their people. They got some fun-looking people. Yeah, they are inferior in every way. Oh, real quick. Salish. Actually, nomadic communal ocean preference. Offer trade deal. What would you do for migration access? Oh, free pop migration is not allowed. I was under the impression that they were... Yeah, they're a democracy. I thought that they were pretty much required to have free pop migration if you're a democracy. Interesting. No, you're not. Very interesting. Well, that's something to ponder. I fear that we will never have a gigantic font size. All of our stuff it'll just never form up. And that kind of makes me sad, but that's also kind of the Venetian way, isn't it? Is it not? Well, you know what? I think we're gonna call it there. I'm gonna mess with my ship design just a tiny bit, and I will play that next time. But until then, you know what? I enjoyed myself. I hope you enjoyed yourself as well, and I do look forward to seeing you next time.